Take a good view at this, and whatever you do, do not buy it. It is a piece of crap. These, or the teeth on this, just dull immediately, and it may be good for cutting wood. It's no good for cutting metal. In the immortal words of somebody, forget about it. Yeah, it's crap. Here is the hole with the fuel pump removed. Most of the fuel has been pumped out. I don't know if we can see inside, but let's try. Yeah, that's the view you get inside. The fuel sender unit is, sorry, there's a bit of a reflection there. The fuel sender unit is up to the left-hand corner there. You may not be able to see it, but don't worry, it's there. And that's accessed through the boot. The tank doesn't look terrible. Hang on, my tits are in the way. Oh, damn. There is some crap in there. But I don't think we need to worry too much about it, especially as I'm going to be replacing the fuel filter. Now, what I will be doing is making up a plate to go over this. It'll be a square plate, and then we can just rivet it in place and use some seam sealer to prevent anything fume-wise from the boot coming into the car. As you can see here, we had to get kind of aggressive to get these pipes off. Managed to succeed in getting one off, but the rest of them just didn't want to play the game, so we chopped them off. We'll replace them with nice new pipes. Not a bad idea. The other thing I wanted to show you is this piece here. This is one of the pieces of metal that was cut out. It is pretty fucking thick. I mean, I'll be replacing it for the customer with a very large modified plate. It won't be round, it'll be square. But man, I mean, that's some good thick steel there. And then in the future, if the pump needs replacing, all they'll have to do is drill out the rivets, because I'm going to make a big square plate and drill holes in it and powder coat it, and then it can just be riveted into place. Yeah. Now, because, as previously shown, that Chinesian piece of crap circular saw just wasn't up to the task, various other tools were employed to get the hole cut and pieces removed. These are 3 of the tools. There is more to come. This is also a selection of the tools. Various pieces to remove clips, the fuel pump, to empty the fuel out of the tank, files, various air tool chisels, a brass drift and hammer for removing the ring. Do use brass, don't use steel. Steel will spark. Spark, fuel, bang, not good. Brass, no spark. As you can see, the air hammer there. Yeah. Lots of different tools. This is actually a deburr tool. You spin it around to deburr, and the file you needed to deburr. And it was got nothing to do with, did I say Christian deburr? Christian deburr? Oh, I don't know. Forget it. Forget about it. All right. That's it on this. This was just kind of a little catch-up one, and I will now go ahead, do another video on the modifications I'm going to have to do to make the fuel pump sit where it should. Okay, this is the pump kit that my customer purchased. Master Pro, OE fit, form and function, guaranteed to meet or exceed specifications. Designed engineering expertise, ethanol safe. Right. Let's just have a quick look here. This is the original mount, rear bottom mount. This is the replacement. OEM spec, huh? This is the original rubber seal. This and this is the replacement. Yeah. This is the original pump. This is the replacement. Sorry, just trying to line these up for you. Look at the electrical connections. Different. All right, they do put the adapter in. Fine. This is the original sock. This is the replacement. Don't fucking try and tell me that this is OE fit, form and function. What a load of bollocks. This is the kit. Made in Vietnam. Guess we didn't use enough napalm. Alright, sorry, that's a bad joke. But, come on guys. Can't you make it how it should be? So now, what I'm going to do is modify this kit to fit, because it has to fit into there, otherwise the pump won't work. So that's going to be fun.